How to make a Facebook post shareable. So if you want to make a Facebook post shareable, then the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, now you need to simply go for the post, which will be on the upper right. Tap on the post or the albums icon, which is on the upper right, and simply select any image that you would like to upload. So once you've chosen the image, now if you want to make the Facebook post shareable, then what you need to do is simply go for the public, which is on the upper left. Tap on the public, and under your audience, your post audience, you need to choose public option. Because if you have not choose the public option, and if you have choose friends or friends accept or only me, then you will not be able to post that, then you'll not be able to make that post shareable. So if you want to make the post shareable, you just need to simply click on public, and once you tap on public, you can go for done, which is on the bottom. And once you go for done, now go for the post, which is on the upper right, and post that image or that picture. So that's it. That's how you can make a Facebook post shareable. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.